So we're going to do what I call an uncat cow. This comes from the Vini tradition, so work with me on this. As we inhale, we actually stretch forward instead of dumping the belly, and don't drag your head back too far. As you exhale, your navel comes sharply in around the lower part of the back. Come down to your forearms, drop your head to the ground, push back gently to child's pose, and soften here. Doing this a couple of times, inhaling, exhaling, navel in, head drops, forearms next, gently push back to a child's pose. Coming back up to hands and knees, stacking joints. Take your left foot back. Oops, I have to move something. I think I can do it. Left foot is back. Right foot comes up, engaging the abdomen, and then lift your left foot up. Breathing, drawing muscles to bones. Feeling the strength of this pose. Switching sides. Right foot back, left arm. Feel your balance first. Draw your muscles into bones, then raise the right foot, balancing, feeling the strength. Rest in a child's pose. You can stop the video.